Welcome to the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra AT4X. The AT4X is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and made up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights as well. The truck is equipped with a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise control and audio controls, forward collision warning, paddle shifters on the backside, full digital gauge cluster, massive ignition button, 13.4-inch large touchscreen using the Google operating system, Apple Carplay and Android Auto both available. We do have your automatic shifter knob, integrated shifter braking. The AT4X does have independent locking differentials electronically, front and rear. All black interior, Bose audio, rear view camera in the rear view mirror, and then our AT4 leather seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra AT4X, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package. We have the Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tire. We have the Multimatic D SSV spool dampening suspension all around on the AT4X. Crew cab truck, color matched door handles, keyless entry up front, AT4X badging, color matched mirror caps with LED strip camera system, 6.2-liter V8 black on the front fender. We have fender flares as well as the factory 2-inch lift, making room for the big wheel and tire packages, 33-inch Goodyear tires. Again, the Multimatic GM performance suspension up front. At the front of the AT4X, you have your AEV bumper with recovery points, parking sensors still work, fog lights, AT4X branded grille, LED daytime running lamps. Beautiful truck. Crew cab, rear tinted privacy windows, blacked out window trim, plastic fender flares coming down the back here, LED tail lamps, dual exhaust tips coming out of the rear bumper tucked up for your better clearances, rear parking sensors, trailer tow pack, and the MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, second row, that leather 60/40 split, both end seats are heated as well as car seat ready, in-seat storage feature, a sliding rear window with defrost, a suede wrapped headliner with LED lighting and a single pane sunroof, heated seats, USB ports in the back, as well as OEM rubberized floor liners with carpeted inserts installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra AT4X. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.